Hey there. All right, we're going to look at a MITSUI grinder. This is an MSG-200MH, and it's new in 2004. It's a serial number of 2004-011-0197. And this particular machine is wired for 460 volts. This is a really special MITSUI because this is entirely original, and then it also has a lot of options on it. Some are factory options from MITSUI, and then some are after market items that they purchased from other sources. So to start with, this particular machine is a roller bearing table machine, and it has fine feeds, which is an option for both the cross axis and the vertical axis. So the cross axis is actually graduated in 50 millionths of an inch in the fine feed, and which is 0.00005. Then for the down feed, it's in 10 millionths, which is 0.00001, which is incredibly fine. Now, the other thing that this machine has on it, it has a Sony digital readout, which is in 20 millionths resolution. So every time that you move the scale, you can actually see that it just goes 0.2 at the end. So it's 0.00002 resolution for both the down feed and for the cross feed axis. Now, Kyle is now just demonstrating the fine feeds. Now we also have this optical system, which is made in England by the same makers of the OptiDress, which is a very well-known product. And this is a visual system that has slides in the X and the Y, and has a digital display over there, which is graduated in 50 millionths of an inch. And right now we have set up on the chuck a knife to give you an example of how it looks on the screen. So, and that is, we're now moving one of the axes just to show you moving along the part length. Now, underneath, there's two controls, rheostat controls. One's for back illumination, and the other is for surface illumination, so you can alter the intensity of the viewing in terms of the lighting. And then also, this machine has a variable speed spindle, so you can change the spindle speed from up over here, and it's wired into a Toshiba VFD, a variable frequency drive. And that allows you to have infinitely variable spindle speeds for using different wheels. It's really handy for form grinding. Now, lastly, up over here, this machine was calibrated when it was hooked up in the former owner's facility. And as you can see, the chuck flatness at the time that this measurement was done, which was in July 10th of 2023, was 30 millionths, or 0.00003. This is a very, very accurate machine, to say the least. All right, so Kyle will now show you the machine. He'll put it under power for you. That will be last in terms of showing you the spindle, but he'll show you just the table for different movements in and out, or left to right, in and out, up and down, and then he's going to show you the fine feeds. And then you'll also be able to see the digital readout move in terms of how fine the resolution is. So go ahead, Kyle.
First, we'll start off with our table left and right. This is going to be a roller bearing table, so the feel of this is very smooth. Go ahead and put that stop down. And now let's go for our in and out. So this is going to be the regular feed right here. And to put this into its fine feed, all you have to do is just take this lever, pull it towards you, and now you're just good to go with the knob. As you can see, we're going up, a little bit slower for you, and then let's go on down. Slower. Now we'll move on to our up and down. Similar concept to the in and out with the fine feed dial. All you have to do is take this lever, bring it towards you, and now you're activated. And all you have to do is play with the knob. Lastly, we'll get the spindle running for you. So after you've turned on the machine right here, you can go over here and just press run, and we'll get that going for you.
So again, the machine is wired for 460 volts. If you do need it wired for a different voltage, just talk to us and we can quote you for a transformer. And we can get a transformer, it's very small. MITSUI's are a single voltage machine, so it has to be used with a transformer to switch the voltage. And that's it, and thank you for watching our video.